Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Todd Blackwell. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I want to take you out on the lot today and show you one of our newest arrivals. Here we have the 2016 Hyundai Elantra SE. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with keyless entry, power side mirrors, lightly tinted glass, and much more. The 2016 Hyundai Elantra is one of the most stylish sedans on the market today. The Elantra has 15-inch steel wheels with covers and all-season tires with lots of tread life left. There's also a spare tire mobility kit and a low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Elantra is in great condition. It has aero composite halogen daytime running headlamps with delay off, along with perimeter lights and really nice grille with a chrome bar to tie it all together. Under the hood you have a 4-cylinder 1.8 liter engine with automatic transmission. This Elantra has front wheel drive and is estimated that drivers receive an impressive 32 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that the Elantra has only 36,468 miles on it. At the back of the Elantra, you can see the antenna, large brake lights, and sleek badging. Using your key fob, you can open the trunk lid for easy access to the cargo area. Looking to the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Elantra has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the fold-down armrest with cup holders, as well as the seat back storage. There is also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice metallic accents. Drivers and passengers will be very comfortable in the adjustable premium cloth seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Elantra is also equipped with a perimeter alarm, outside temperature gauge, and door bins. Here are the easy to reach controls for the power side mirrors, the door locks with auto lock, and the power windows with driver express down. The Elantra has very comfortable tilting steering wheel with a on-wheel controls for cruise and audio features. It is also equipped with a very well lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home to your entertainment features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3 and Sirius XM compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. The advanced system even has speed compensating volume. You also have large climate controls, and everything that you see is very easy to use. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.